you have to really invest in people much, much earlier.
Mm.
So when I came to Transverse and when I was interviewing, one of the things that I talked to Eric about, because it's a huge passion of Eric Matson's, is this internship program, is how he was super excited about it. And he talked to me a lot about that on the interview. We talked a lot about how you can get a younger population in and get them excited about these roles, and also get them to understand that maybe a field that they're interested in college, it doesn't necessarily mean that if you're an accountant, it doesn't mean you have to go to one of the big four. You can go to an insurance company. The biggest thing that I've heard is just everybody has always fallen into insurance, right?
Yeah.
But let's get them to want to be in insurance rather than just fall into it. So one of that has to be is that you have to be a presence on these campuses when they have career fairs. You have to be a presence out and about, and you also have to be making them aware of what you do and what they could benefit from an internship. And so what we don't want to do is we don't want interns coming in and just scanning paper, getting coffee. It's just not going to work, right? You want them to work and get an understanding so they can really enjoy it, or make the decision that it's not right for them also. And so what I have found is that if you can get people earlier and get them to understand, and also have them see like-minded people and like that they see on the screen if they're interviewing or in person, right? I think that's the biggest thing. One of the things I've been talking to them as well, just in recruiting, and it's not just for the internships, is that when a candidate sees somebody that looks like them on the screen or in person, they're much more likely to continue that process. They don't want to see, even if it's, an HR role, right? And HR is very female driven. So if you've got 5 females that interview a 1 male, it's the same thing, right? You want to have a diverse population of candidates. You want to have a diverse population of employees who are interviewing these candidates. And this will help you grow in your company as well. Because it's always, it's very, very well known that diverse backgrounds lead to a much more cohesive and broader environment within the culture of the firm.